6 million Freemasons worldwide, but this is the United Grand Lodge of England, and we recognise a number of lodges in different countries. But there will also be a whole host of Masonic organisations that we don't particularly recognise and that my members can't go and visit, and their members can't visit us. But we are spread pretty much everywhere throughout the world, and yes, you can usually find something somewhere that you can go and visit.
Lost yourself in dreaming. I have lost
A Masonic meeting really has been relatively unchanged for a number of centuries. A group of 30 to 40 people will meet maybe 4 to 8 times a year for a couple of hours a night, and they will do primarily one of 3 ceremonies. The ceremonies are things which take us back to our roots of medieval stonemasons, but also bring in some aspects of learning and personal development.